Jim, we got the Fiscal Cliff deal at the 12th hour last night. Were you happy with the deal? It seems like there's a little bit of can kicking with spending cuts and such.
I think you're not supposed to be happy with a deal. You're not happy with a deal where everybody pays a little bit more because the tax break on payroll, and obviously I pay a lot more. I'm now in the 53% bracket, which is disturbing to me, but that's the way it is, and you had a good run. But speaking more importantly about what I cared about, capital gains and dividends, taxed very reasonably, which is good for stocks, certainly better than bonds. Certainty does matter. It's easy to now say, okay, listen, let's gird for the next battle and partisanship. I find that you have to accept the fact that there's a lot of money coming in today. Some of that has to be because we've got certainty. We do have some earnings coming up. I don't think all the earnings are going to be good, so it's not a bad opportunity to just straighten your portfolio up, get out of stuff that won't be that good in the fourth quarter. That's what Stephanie and I are, from the fourth quarter earnings, Stephanie and I are doing today for Action Alerts. But yeah, I mean, look, it's just get it out of the way. It was the big bad event. And don't overly focus on the debt ceiling, because that will be resolved too. And it may not be resolved the way you like it, just like the cliff wasn't resolved the way you like it. But resolution itself is good for the stock market. And that's what I care about, the stock market.
All right, now the stocks, what about defensive stocks? Now we got to wait 2 more months to get an issue on the spending
Well, do we
cuts.
really? I don't know. Lockheed Martin was good the whole way. Boeing was good the whole way. United Technologies stock we like very much. Action Alerts Plus I'm pretty good here. These companies are international companies with a very big domestic component for defense, obviously, but we avoided a very big, very tough defense cutback. And the Republicans, if you look at what they talk about, they are for spending cuts everywhere except for defense. So that will be the least cantankerous area.
Okay, so stock market up about 4% in the last 2 days.
Well, it's,
Did
I
you
don't
get in here or wait for a dip?
Look, I don't, I'm from the school which says I don't buy up 2-3%. I just don't. And, you just say, okay, listen, maybe you have some stocks already. That's great.
Yeah.
You sell some of your losers into strength that you shouldn't have. But no, I can't. I mean, I have a discipline, and my discipline doesn't allow me to buy at these levels.
Okay, well, thank you.